Ako masyado. Tatampo si Ruby. Kahit sa labas ng Airbnb na ako natutulog.
And ayun, nabudol kami.
Alam nyo, hindi ko nakaya eh.
Sabi ko, tuloy ba yung elephant trail? Kasi alam ko elephant trail. Binigyan ko ng madaming time para mag-reply. So by 8:05, gumawa na ako ng decision.
So nag-Chiangkai Shek din kami. I was with Maunica, then RM and Rufy. Okay naman, masaya. Ang ganda nung statue, tsaka nung marble.
Mukhang hindi siya eksemento na linagyan ng pattern at pininturahan, no?
Ay, oo, yung sound niya pa lang eh.
Oo. Pero gagi, no? Ang daming marble.
From Italy ba yan?
Yun. Go, sige, tama yan. Experiment. Yan, marble. So, picture kayo dito. Malawak, grabe. I suggest na pumunta rin kayo sa part na to kasi wala masyadong tao. Yun. Lahat na sa harap. And maganda yung lighting. Oh! Tapos, yeah, solo nyo yung spot na to. Maganda mag-picture dito kasi magandang background yung marble. Oh, that's nice, Denise. Yun, ganda oh.
Yeah, ang dami naming photos. Cool din yung, change of guards. Yeah, it was cool.
So, meron kaming mga 5 minutes habulin yung change of guard ceremony. Chiangkai Shek. Ayun na sila eh. Baka nag-change na yung guards kayo. Oh shit, yun na sila. Baka mahabol natin. Hindi na malawak.
Okay tayo.
Ito yung gilid ng Chiangkai Shek. Gitna. Gitna na ba? So, ito yung view from up here. It's pretty nice.
Ako yung naging tour guide, so half the time I was saying factual things and half the time I was saying bullshit stuff. Gawa sa Toblerone. Yung no limit ang hirit, translate na yung ano to.
Ulul.
Ay sa food dog, yung sinabi ko na walang nahuhuli pagka you're behind the food dog kasi may nagpro-protect ng spirits doon. So kung nagnakaw ka,
Today, we have to buy a lot of souvenirs and other things to buy. So, yeah.
Huh? Oh, really? Bisa silipin? Okay lang ba? Tara.
Tapos nag-feed din kami ng koi dun. Yeah, koi fish.
So, meron din sa side ng Chiangkai Shek by pond din. Not a lot of people here because I don't think tourists go here. Pero, and may table dito na... Ito ba to? O marble din? Ang laki ng ano nila, paa nila. Pati yung ibon nakipag-compete, grabe. So, may koi fish feed dito. Yeah, $10 to. Mga 20 pesos. Ano klaseng isda yan? Okay, hindi nga pagkain yung ganyan. Naka-record naman eh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ito yun, sige. Okay lang. Kakatapos lang namin kumain ng lunch. Nag-lunch kami sa McDo kasi we don't wanna overthink about what we're gonna eat. And we're going to a board game cafe.
I was boodled. I was boodled today by the board game shop, you know. I bought some accessories, which is not part of the plan. That's why I got boodled.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa WEFAFA. Madami na akong in-skip na videos sa araw to kasi medyo napagod ako mag-vlog and gusto ko lang enjoy yung company ko with friends without thinking about anything kahit papaano. Gusto ko ba sabihin? Ay, wala. Ano mga gusto sabihin eh?
Hi. Okay naman yung araw ko. Good day. Solid day today. No? Okay na lakad. Good exercise. I think what we can do better is to train more so we can walk more. So yeah, okay yung day. We expect to perform better tomorrow, have a better day tomorrow, no? Bring our A game. Eventually, matatalo din namin yung opponents namin, which is fatigue. So,
Pumunta kami sa TV station ng kaibigan. So nakita namin newsroom. And then they're ngayon renovating, they're moving all their equipment. Tapos we saw some of the studios. Nainggit kami, pumunta kami dun sa Creative Park. Masaya yun. Tapos sobrang odd ng interaction ko with one of the persons there kasi may binibili si ate girl. Tinitignan namin mga jacket. And then eventually parang sinasabi niya, oh, this is nice. So tinignan ko na, parang medyo mahal. Tapos eventually yung store owner, Can I borrow you for a second? Because example si Danny yung customer, she would like to try this jacket on me for her boyfriend na Nepalist. So sabi, naka-size ko. So sabi, ginagawa niya sa likod yun. Tapos sabi ko eventually, would you like me to wear the jacket?
Are you sure?
Are you sure? Yeah. So nagubad pa ako. Tapos pinapakita ko, ayan, so he should not eat so that his tummy won't bulge out, right? And then tinataas ko yung kamay ko. Yan, masaya yun. Masaya yung experience.
ginamit lang katawan mo.
Oh yes, sanay naman ako magamit. O sino magsasalita? Next. Yun lang po yung nangyari sa amin, tapos eventually sumama sila Troy.
Okay, so, gumising kami, tapos, nag-message kami kasi kala namin Elephant Trail today. So, nag-message kami ng 8 sa kanila. Guys, Elephant Trail ba? Oo. Hindi, sabi ko, tuloy ba yung Elephant Trail? Kasi alam ko Elephant Trail. So, binigyan ko ng madaming time para mag-reply. So, by 8:05, gumawa na ako ng decision na magdi-distillery na lang kami. Hindi kasi nasa bus na kami. So, inansend ko na mag-Elephant Trail. Yeah. So, yun nga. Walang tour, so we need to commute. Tapos, pagdating sa distillery, umabot kami sa 11 o'clock tour. Guys, 11 o'clock lang yung tour. Wala na within that day. 11 o'clock lang yung English tour. Or else, puro Taiwanese na yung tour. Umabot kami. Tapos, 20 minutes lang yung tour. 2 hours. In the end, sulit siya kasi pagpasok nyo pa lang, lakas na nung amoy ng whiskey. Tapos na-appreciate ko siya. So yun, after nung tour, dapat may whiskey tasting and whiskey blending ka. So bawal yung under 18. So yun. So bumili na lang kami sa gift shop at dala namin yung whiskey dito para matry natin. And that's our story.
So, tapos kami kumain sa UEFA. Sorry, I just had to, include this in the vlog kasi ang ganda ng place, no, RM. Yeah, it's nice. So, yung lights.
So nice.
Yan. Bahala ka.
Hindi ko kaya. Kasi kahapon, doon namin inisip na lokohin si Rufy. Naglalaro lang kami. Minsan lang naman ako mag-rough play. Kahit matanda na ako. ngayon kailangan ko siyang suyuin kahit sa labas ng Airbnb na ako natutulog. So, mga 2 days na akong sa labas ng bahay natutulog. Ayun guys, sabihin nyo na lang kung paano susuyuin si Rufi. Meron kaming isang araw bukas. Nasa Sun Moon kami. So, I will try my best, no, to really capture his heart again. 16 years na kaming friends, na-realize ko. And I cannot lose another friend. Yun lang guys. Pray for me. I love you.